Welcome back. So, sysadmins often need to terminate misbehaving or runaway processes. Instead of manually finding the process ID, PID, and running kill, you can use pkill to kill processes by their name and pattern directly. So, this particular script number 10, we will simplify that action both in Bash and Python. So the modules that we'll use is pkill for Bash, and for Python we'll use subprocess module. So pkill is part of the Pro CPS package, so it's available in most Linux distributions. And then Python subprocess module allows Python to execute shell commands directly and safely. So we will use that for Python. So let's get started with our Bash script. So first we'll check if an argument is given, like as in a process name. So if it is provided, then we will echo. Sorry, let's see here. Echo usage, and then sorry, it will be in double quotes. Usage. Exit code will be, we'll just put it to 2 and then fi. So we'll check if your process name was provided as an argument, and we'll exit with value 2. So let's go through here. Let's see. Okay. So then we'll use pkill f, and then the parameter that we provided. So we'll kill process. And it will, this true will allow, it will prevent the script from exiting with error if no process matches our input. So let's see here, kill process, and I guess not exit if no match is found. Okay, and then we'll confirm. Just an echo statement here. Pkill issued for, and then we'll pass in the parameter here. So this is it. So we'll just use sudo chmod plus x script 10, then we'll put in the password, then we will run the command here. Oh, sorry, run the script. So as you can see, it's asking us to provide a parameter. So what we'll do is we will provide the process name of this process that's running, which is htop. So we'll just put in htop. As you can see, it terminated, and it also provided htop terminated. So that's what we wanted here. Okay, so that's it. That's it for the bash, and then we'll work on the Python script. Okay, so we're going to work on the Python script now. So we're going to import some modules, sys module, and then sub process, and then we'll get the name of the process. So we are checking if process name was provided. If not, we are leaving it empty, but then it will get picked up by the next setup code here, so it will validate the input. If not, name. So if it's empty, print, and then we're going to just put in this one here. We will put in the script name, which is script 10 process kill dot py, and then followed by process name. Since the process might require sudo privilege, we have to also provide sudo instructions here, and then we save this one, and then there will be an exit value of 2 passed. We can use this value to, let's say, further integrate the script with another script or alerting system, monitoring system, things like that. So we can this return value is valuable in that regard. So let's do here. So sub process dot run, and then what we'll do is we will pass in our command here. So it'll be just pkill is the same command as bash, and then -f, and then name. And check false will ensure the script doesn't crash if pkill finds no matches. Okay, let's see here. Just a comma here. This is actually different from the if statement, so we'll have to put it in the next line here. And then we'll just confirm. PQ issued for name. Okay, that's it. We'll just try to run it just by itself. Sudo Python 3. As you can see, it's asking us to provide the process name, so we'll provide htop, and there you go. So the process gets terminated, we get confirmation, the same as the bash. Okay, thanks a lot for joining for script number 10 this week. Thank you.